Hi guys, it's me, Jaylee Kaye. Welcome to my show. Today we're going to be learning about vegetables. Vegetables. Welcome to my kitchen. Thanks for joining me. Before we get started, let me tell you what we have. Cucumber, tomato, onion, carrot, lettuce, mushroom, tomato, and leek. So let's get started. First, I need a knife. So let's cut it up. I'm gonna cut this part first. Just to not cut the green. Well, I want this green cut up. First, I think I need a magic wand to fix this problem. Abracadabra. There. Wow, it worked! Now it's time to cut the vegetables up. First, I'm going to take how about a tomato? What? I can't keep it up. I can't take this off. What about it? Wow, this is a really big tomato. And I just want to eat it, but I can't because I have to cut it. That's a bake tonight because it looks like a... I'm going to cut it. Whoa, I'm cutting it. Daddy, well, I can see some bread. Okay, time to cut it up. Some tomato stuff came out and got on my big knife. That's all I can keep cutting. Oh, I'm cutting on that. Hey, almost done. This isn't working very now. Let me try another vegetable. How about I try this? So tough. I can't really get it out. I guess I'll just try a carrot. Because carrots, I think a carrot will work better. This. This carrot isn't working either. I just made a little one. Let me try one. Let me try it again. How about I try one of these? This looks so good. Cut. I'm doing it. Wow, it's so cool that I'm actually cutting it. Wow, it's so cool! I think this is enough. I'm cutting another end. Keep cutting. Still isn't working. Let me try grabbing something else. I think I'll grab a mushroom. Let me try finding it. Let's put this down. So I'll just try this tiny mushroom, and I'm doing it, I'm cutting it. That's so cool. Whoa. Whoa, look at that stuff coming out. Can't really cut it. This isn't working at all either. I'm gonna try another one. I guess I'll try this week. Well, it's a really tall week. It's even taller than me. That's so cool. Time to start cutting. Huh? I can't cut it. Come on, cut it. This isn't working. I suppose not. But this is not working. I'm gonna try another. Whoa, it's so heavy. I can't carry it. Whoa. Let me try one of these. I got it. Time to lay it out. But that's a big week. This week is so heavy. Okay, get a knife. What? How is this happening? I can't cut this lettuce either. I guess I'll just try another one. What? So many? Okay. Let's try another tomato. Hey, I think this can go now. Cut the tomato, cut the tomato. Tomatoes are so good. Let's keep cutting it. Okay, we're gonna be done with this one. Now add 2 tomatoes. I think time to get this. What is this? This is an onion. I forgot. Let me try cutting this. What? I can't cut this onion? How? I can't cut this. Let me put these vegetables back. 1, 2, 3. Get it on me. Tomato. And 4, 5, and 6. Now what do I do next? Whoa, it's so heavy. I have to stand up for this one. Whoa. The next is my magic wand. With this knife, I really get started. And look at that, I cut these vegetables up. All my vegetables are cut up. Much like my magic. Whoa! 1, so easy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15. How many tomato slices do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 tomatoes. That was my thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. They're attached to each other. They look like marshmallows. Take the marshmallow. Wait, they're attached to each other. Oh, that's so awesome. It's time to cut these up. It's time to cut these up by cutting them. How about I do that? So to put it, these fell down. That's alright. We just cut this up. actually working. That's so awesome. Look at this, guys. That's so amazing. Now it's time to do that. And that there. Now you put this here. Also put that there. And now look, they look like eyes. These are so nice. Let's wrap the whole thing down. That's so cool, you guys. Now, since we're done that, we take them out. Whoa, that's so awesome. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. See you next time. Bye.